Hello everyone, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Estefania and I'm the director of the Owner Services team here in Las Catalinas. And today, I have the pleasure of guiding you and introducing you around the new 365 Owner Portal. As mentioned at our General Assembly 2021, the company has been investing in the past year in both labor and technology to make sure we are up to speed with the changing markets and can offer a tool and system that goes hand in hand with goals and core values of our company. As part of the new programs, we are introducing an owner customer portal for Dynamics 365. With this new CRM software, we have the capability of enabling anyone within the organization to access real-time, up-to-date information, improving customer satisfaction. Things you can do: ask for an inspection in your unit, verify your services contracts frequency and schedules, order pre-arrival services, request extra housekeeping services, review your agreements, and others. The tool enables us to provide our homeowners with full transparency of what is happening in their homes, provide real-time proof of work, and handle any situation in a timely manner. Our internal workflow specifies the priority level of each task assigned and sets the expectations clearly for both ends of the business, the operation and the customer, giving you more insight and control of your home. Thanks again for choosing the new managed services packages. Now, let us show you how it works. Your first experience with the Owner's Portal will be easy. You will receive a registration invite email with the link and temporary password to the Dynamics portal. Once you register, you can update your profile information. Make sure we have all the information we need from you. Feel free to navigate the portal. Check on your current case's status, communicate with the staff through the case timeline, and receive notifications when the cases are resolved. Click on Create Case to make a request, get information or report a problem. Make sure you add pictures and any other documentation that will make the interaction smoother for both of us. See your contracts, review your current contract agreements, renewal time, and other details. If you're part of the rental program, you will be able to see past year, current, and future reservations for your home. You can also see detailed information regarding rates and occupancy. We are very happy to welcome you to this new experience. We hope you enjoy it. If you have any further questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to our email.